Well, good morning. William from Williams, Philippines, and it is 4:20 in the a.m. on Tuesday morning, November 19th, 2024. I hope everybody's having a blessed day, and I got to see a video here. It's been kind of interesting. My internet here has been going in and out today. Very annoying. It has managed to come up when needed. So when I actually had somebody here to check in, the internet decided it wanted to work. Yeah. Anyway, one of the videos I did happen to catch in the rare times where the internet's been working tonight, and we're going to have some fun seeing if it lets me upload this or if I have to do it again from my house. We'll see. But I did manage to catch a video of YouTube channel, Tricycle Diaries. It's a Filipino couple that are living in a tricycle they converted into a little camper. Yay! They're speaking Tagalog, and I don't really understand that. I catch a few words here and there that they say in English, so Taglish, Tagalogish, something. Anyway. But that's pretty much, I could do that with a that Carabao commuter with the jeepney box on the back. I can do this. Seeing that has got me. I watched, I think, 6 videos since I found them. I found them about the time I was getting ready to call it a day, and I came here trying to watch more of them, and yeah. They ain't real long videos, so only getting to watch like 6 of them, 4 or 5 of them here. Needless to say, yeah, nowhere near as much as what I usually do, but I dove off into their videos and been watching them. Oh, yeah. My mustache has a stray hair today, and it's tickling. But yes, I wonder if he's available to build one. He definitely had some real good ideas. Had a hidden shower set up, and yeah, it's doable. I think it could be a very good build. I don't know. Have to try and get in touch with him when I get over to the Philippines, because that's definitely something I'm interested in. Because hey, a beach bum that gets to live in a little camper on the beach and just ride to the next beach when you're tired of that one, I could enjoy that. I don't know where all their, if they're doing it full time or just part time or what. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed checking out their videos, and they've got a few more of them. Apparently, he started this, channel for these tricycle camper for some time in, I think it said March of 2022. So he's coming up on 2 years, or no, coming up on 3 years, if that was right. If it's 2023, it's 2 years. Did show some wear and tear on it as to the wear because of the weather and such, rust and such. Salt water is rough on metal. It really is. So, might be a reason to build out of stainless steel. I don't know. Anyway, I did enjoy getting to see those videos. Yeah. They can be able to, set that up and just tool between one beach and the next and decide where I want to go fishing and go. And if nothing else, you lock it up and I'm pretty sure I could have fit a small electric trike in there, or bike. 10-speed job with a mountain bike, with an electric mountain bike. I've seen a bunch of those with fat tires on them for running up and down the mountains or in the sand. This is doable. Anyway, it's got my gears spinning. Anyway, did get over to do pharmacy. Tried to get in touch with my family, but they didn't get back with me. Need to get a couple things done today and try to move some stuff into the living room so that it'll be easy to move over and carry over tomorrow. Yeah, all that fun stuff. Because, hey, it's always fun moving something that's big and heavy. The good thing is I actually have the tools to do it, and I'm quite capable. But yes, the more stuff that gets out of the way, the sooner I can get to that floor. And I was looking at a couple of things, and I quite honestly decided that, yeah, I can make money off of them if I wait and try to sell them. But is it really worth keeping them for what I'm going to get out of them? I don't know. I'm trying to decide that, and part of me is looking at them like they just need to go. But I hate throwing money away. Something that's still good and usable. Yeah. We'll get it figured out. Anyway, I don't know about y'all, but in my watching of YouTube clips, I have been noticing that YouTube has become abusive with the way they're putting commercials in. I mean, to the point that it's not worth watching videos. I mean, I've got a book on that I was listening to, and I guarantee you it ain't 5 minutes between commercials. And if you don't go over and turn the damn thing off, it ends up staying on commercials for a half hour. Yeah. I don't know about you, but when it's more commercials than it is show, it's no longer a show. When it's a video that's more commercial than video, it's no longer a video. YouTube is becoming useless. And they're forcing, they want to force you into paying for premium. Oh, and I heard that they've got commercials on that crap too, unless you go to the third level of stupidity and pay an arm, leg, and a left one. Hello, Rumble, my best friend. Oh, now I'm positively thinking that might be a way to get away from this crap. YouTube, pay attention. You're going to lose people over this. And hey, the next up and coming, They're out there. Oh, and a lot of big names are over there. And I can watch them over there and not be abused with 500,000 commercials for 1 minute. Okay. Peace. What did they do during the Ushwa. Yeah. Needless to say, this is ridiculous. And I'm wondering how many commercials they're putting into my show here, and I don't even get paid for them because I don't have enough to make it worth them paying me for. I don't have enough subscribers. I don't have enough watch time. But it makes me wonder how much they're profiting off of what little I do have. I don't know. If you notice a bunch of commercials on my channel, please let me know about how many they do in a full video, or how many they do in 10 minutes. I don't know about you, but it's really got ridiculous trying to watch videos, because, like I say, more commercial than video. Wouldn't be so bad if they'd just do a 15-second video and then let you have the show back. But when they get into these infomercials and, 5-10 minute commercials, seriously? I'm tired of it. I'm really tired of it. Anyway, 213 subscribers, thank you. Please hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and get notified if you want to, or not. Your choice is yours. Like I say, I'm trying to do this here for friends and family, but with as many commercials as I'm seeing on this, literally I'm thinking mine isn't this big. Mine isn't that, I'm not making money on this. I could walk away in a heartbeat and go over to Rumble and be happy. But there's less viewers over there, and I don't really think most of my family knows about Rumble. Yeah. Part of me wants to do that. Anyway, I need to get back over to transferring phone numbers from one phone to another so I can erase that phone and start over with fresh phone, because, yeah, some settings in there have gone completely crazy and are not letting things happen the way they're supposed to happen. Part of me says it just has to do with it being Mint. The other part says it has to do with Mint and my phone. And another part says it's just my phone and it needs to be redone, restarted. But a large part's really, it's Mint. Because this didn't really start happening until I swapped a Mint SIM card in there. It's when it really started acting stupid. So, Mint. Yeah. Schwarzenegger said he'd be back. I'm not thinking I want to be. We'll see how it works after I get that thing rebooted. And if nothing else, I only got to suffer till the end of January. And then I can go somewhere else and not waste my dollars, because I hate throwing money away. And to walk away for, 3 months, 2 months, yeah, that wouldn't be good. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. I hope you have an easy week, lots of food and lots of friends. I am Fish, and hey, Fish is out.